Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Your search for the most successful Punjabi singers, and here follow this video of the top 10 most successful Punjabi singers of all time. Nowadays Punjabi songs have been highly popular in India and all over the world. Everyone loves Punjabi songs. This is just because of the Punjabi singer with amazing and heart-touching voices. There are so many Punjabi singers who have tried their luck in the Punjabi music industry, but all of them are not successful. However, there are also some successful Punjabi singers who always do well popular and recognized as evergreen Punjabi singers. So if you want to know who are the most successful Punjabi singer, check out this video of the top 10 most successful Punjabi singers of all time. Number 10. Arminder Gill. Arminder Singh Gill is a Punjabi singer, songwriter and actor. He was born on 11 May 1976, Punjab, India. He made his musical debut in 2000 with the album Apni Jaan Ki. His album Juda was considered as one of the most successful Punjabi albums of all time in 2012. Juda received a Brit Asia Music Award for Best Album. He is also one of the most popular and successful Punjabi actors of all time. He has so many successful Punjabi albums like Chand Da Tukda, Silent Tears. Number 9. Gippy Grewal. Gippy Grewal is a famous Punjabi singer, actor, writer and film director. He was born in Kumkalan, Ludhiana, Punjab on 2nd January 1983. He made his musical debut in 2002 with the album Chakle. Gippy is very famous for his unique style of singing and Punjabi pop music. All his songs are super duper hit. He is one of the most popular and successful Punjabi singers of all time. He made his debut in the 2010 movie Mail Kara De Rabba for his wonderful performance in the movie Jinne Mera Dil Lutya. In 2011, he was awarded Carry On Jatta, Judge James Bond, Bhajin Problem and Lucky the Unlucky Story Actors Award. In 2012, he received PIFA Best Actor Award as well as the PTC Actor Award in 2015 for Judge James Bond. Number 8. Honey Singh. Honey Singh is the name who popularizes Punjabi songs with his rocking rap. He is also an Indian music producer, pop singer and film actor. He is the king of Punjabi rap and a famous name in the Punjabi music industry. Honey Singh is also recognized as one of the most successful Punjabi singers of all time. He has so many successful Punjabi songs like Lak 28 Kudida, High Heels, Blue Eyes, This Party Getting Hot, Bring Me Back, Dheere Dheere and Lungi Dance. He has won the ETC Award for the Best Sound in 2006 for the song Glassy and PTC Award in 2009 for the album Rebirth. Also, he has been PTC Punjabi Best Music Director in 2010, 11 and 12 respectively. Number 7. Bilal Saeed. Bilal Saeed is a Pakistani Punjabi singer who had nominated for PTC Punjabi Music Awards and Brit Asia Awards. He is recognized as one of the most successful Punjabi singers of all time. He has a great voice along with a dashing personality. Bilal was born on 12 December 1988 in Sialkot, Punjab, Pakistan. He has sung so many evergreen super hit Punjabi songs such as Little Combination, 12 Saal, Mahi Mahi, Khair Mangdi, Kash, Parinde. He is a worldwide famous for his singing and rocking Punjabi songs. Number 6. Diljit Singh Dosanjh. Diljit Singh Dosanjh is an actor, singer, television presenter as well as a social media personality who works in Punjabi and Hindi cinema. He is known as one of the best singers in the Punjabi music industry. He has won countless hearts with his wonderful performance not only in India but also in the world. That's why he successfully gets the 6th position in the list of the top 10 successful Punjabi singers of all time. Dosanjh released his first album Ishq Da Uda Uda in 2004. He is the winner of numerous PTC Punjabi Music Awards. Some of his best songs are like The Next Level, Patiala Peg, Goliyan, Do You Know. This thing is so stylish. He made his film debut with The Lion of Punjab in 2011. Number 5. Jazzy B. Jaswinder Singh is a famous and successful Punjabi singer and songwriter. At the age of 5 years, his family was displaced to Vancouver, Canada, and now he is living in Birmingham, England. He is recognized as one of the most popular Punjabi singers of all time. He has won PTC Punjabi Music Awards 12 times. Jazzy B has his own style of singing and has sung so many super hit songs such as Tera Roop, Jinne Mera Dil Lutya, Jat, Nag, 1 Million, London Patola Reloaded, The Party Getting Hot, Husna Ji Sarkar and many more. Number 4. Babbu Maan. Babbu Maan comes at 4th position in the all-time successful Punjabi singers list. He is a famous Punjabi singer, songwriter, actor and film producer working and living in Mohali. He was born on 18 March 1975, Manpur, Punjab. This great singer made his musical debut with the album Sajan Rumal De Gaya, but it was not much success at that time. After that, in 2001, he became a one-night star through the little song of his album Son Di Jhadi. From 2001 to 2003, he released many hit songs like Ishq, Dil Ta Pagal Hai and Kabza. Number 3, Harbhajan Maan. Harbhajan Maan is one of the most versatile Punjabi singers who have been starrer and produced many Punjabi films. He was born in Bhatinda on 30 December 1965. He has truly a heart-touching voice which has made a large fan following all over India. Some of her super hit songs of Harbhajan Maan include Teri Meri Jodi, Ik Sa, Yada Reh Janiya, Tin Rang, जी नहीं लगता, सुन मेरी चन माहिया, यारा ओ दिलबरा. Number 2, Gurdas Maan. Gurdas Maan is one of the most popular singers on the list of most successful Punjabi singers of all time. He is known as the Prince of Punjabi music. He was born on 4th January 1957 in Gidarwaha, Punjab. There are many singers who try to copy the style of the famous Gurdas Maan. He has a record of more than 27 albums and of writing more than 200 songs. He made his musical debut in 1981 with the album Dil Da Mamla Hai. Number 1, Hansraj Hans. Hansraj Hans is the most popular and successful Punjabi singer of all time. He is perfect for classic deviations in singing. He was born on 9th April 1964 in Jalandhar, Punjab. Famous for his long golden curly hair, Hans has sung so many Sufi songs, folk songs and also religious songs. He has been honored with the Padma Shri Award by the Government of India. He is the only first Punjabi singer who has also established his identity in the Bollywood film industry. Also, he has worked along with the late Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan as seen in the movie Kache Dhage. Besides, he was also an honorary music lecturer at St. George State University and Washington DC University. He has truly a heart-touching, fascinating and God-gifted voice. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel.